Hey guys, it's me, Zara the zebra, with her new look. She looks so cute. My golden retriever does. I'm going downstairs to go see these like Oreo cookie blizzards. They taste weird because it has like chocolate or whatever in it. Not chocolate, but like chunks. So if you hear talking, it's my mom and my brother. So please just like ignore them and put your spotlight on me. She looks so cute, but I like my golden retriever better. She's so cute. But this is one Cora gave me, so I love it. She's like special. So, these are the cookies. It's Oreo, Blizzard, Cream, Dairy Queen. So yeah, I'm gonna just get the icing. The icing because it tastes better.
I thought you told me, yeah. Wouldn't that be cool?
See, this is what the icing looks like.
I'm not talking about Egypt, because they got everybody killed over there where they tripping.
This is the icing. It's really weird. Why?
Huh?
Why? Are you scared?
Because they're, down in that religion and you can't do stuff like that. You are going to make a list out of what you want. I know you want more orange juice.
I want apple juice.
Okay. You going with me, so you just be ready.
Oh.
All right, you doing?
I should be back by noon. Nico, Shane isn't going out of town for when is he leaving?
So yeah.
Could be gone from
What's
the
a cookie?
3rd to the 10th.
I guess I'll recommend
Two of your
these.
friends down. You want to just go on and go out of town? You might come back
So yeah.
with some money.
2 for 1.
If they
Wait, what?
change their
Look,
mind,
it's a
'cause
2 for 1
now
cookie.
somebody
If we
said
bring this, I
something.
think. Cool. So yeah, that's it. And please subscribe.